Hi everyone, so we are going to compare ChatGPT and the Bing chat to see what the differences are and how they can be used, especially for marketing purposes. In this instance, we are going to be creating a social media post on both platforms to see what the results give us. And most importantly, it's going to be the same prompts that we're going to put in here in ChatGPT and also in Bing chat. Now, Bing chat obviously is on the Microsoft browser. So you might want to visit the Edge or the Edge browser, I would like to say, right down here to be able to get the Bing chat right at the top here. But the two things we're actually going to look at with Bing is the Bing Edge button right here, which they call the Discover button, or the Edge Copilot. And then just the regular chat now, because I do think there might be a difference between both. And at the same time, then we are also going to look at then ChatGPT. So we're going to put our posts, our social media posts, the same social media posts to compare all three of them. And when I say all three, we're going to compare ChatGPT over here with the social media post. Then we're going to go over here and go to chat now and create a post. And then we're also going to ask the Bing Edge Copilot right here, the same stuff. And we will see what the results are. Okay, so first of all, let's go to ChatGPT, which is OpenAI. And as you can see with ChatGPT, you have, this is your format that you have. You have the examples of what it could do. You have the capabilities right in the middle here. And then you also have the limitations. Right. Okay. Now, also on the left here, you have your old chats that you've created. You have where you can clear your conversations and also where you can upgrade. And when you do upgrade, what happens is you get availability even when demand is high, faster response speed, and priority access to new features. Under the free plan, which I'm currently using, this is what you get. Available when demand is low, standard response speed, and regular model updates. Okay. Now, so let's go over here. That's all we get to see in the chat GPT. Now, if we go to Edge over here and let's click chat, what do we get to see? Okay, over here we get ask complex questions, get better answers, get creative inspiration. Welcome to the new Bing, your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. Now, what's really cool is you could choose a conversation style. You couldn't do that under Chat GPT. Now, you could be more creative, clear your conversations, start an original imaginative chat, more balanced, or be more precise. Okay, so we're going to leave it right in the middle here with our posts, and we will see what the output is. So to start off, let us go to ChatGPT and put in our post. Our social media post is going to say, create a funny and exciting social media post with hashtags and emojis about how our digital marketing services grow your business with unique strategies. Our digital marketing services grows your business with unique strategies. Okay. And now if you want to see the output, this is the input. If you want to see the output, you have to hit the play button. So let's see what happened there. Of course, something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at OpenAI. So in this instance, we're just going to copy and paste. If you go through this issue and refresh, and let's do it again. Take that out. Okay. Now, let's see what happens with that. Okay, there it is. It's typing it now. Ready to take your business to new heights. Look no further than our digital marketing services. We've got some unique strategies up our sleeves that are sure to make your competition shaking their boots. Remember, this is supposed to be funny, right? From targeted ads to killer content, we know how to get your brand noticed online. Don't believe us? Just ask our clients. They've seen their businesses grow by leaps and bounds thanks to our expert team. So what are you waiting for? Let's kickstart your online presence today and watch those sales soar. And now you can see the emojis right here. Right here. See the emojis? Packed with emojis. So this is pretty cool when you think about it. This is OpenAI. This is ChatGPT. So this is what we're getting from ChatGPT. Now, let's go to ChatGPT. No, sorry, excuse me. Let's go to Bing and let's see if we put in the same prompts exactly. Let's see exactly what is going to happen. Okay. So, still grabbing that email right there. All right. So, create a funny and exciting social media post with hashtags and emojis about how our digital marketing services grows your business with unique strategies. All right. So, again, we're going to hit the playing button here and let's see what happens. Under a more balanced tone, notice it didn't time out and we didn't have to refresh it. I think it's still thinking about it. So here we go. Sure, here's a funny and exciting social media post for you. It's actually interacting with me, which I think is kind of cool. So it's sort of like you're talking to your assistant, like, could you create something funny for me? And they go, yeah, sure, here you go. Our digital marketing services are out of this world. And look at all those emojis, man. We use unique strategies that will grow your business faster than you can say social media. Don't believe us? Look at emojis again. Check out our website for more information. Digital marketing, social media, unique strategies, grow your business out of this world. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything else. And then it actually gives you references here, which is really, really cool. Okay, so let's see if we wanted to do more creative. Let's see. And we actually typed that in there. What would happen? And then go. Now, we are now under, I think, more creative, excuse me. Here's a possible social media post. Are you tired of the same old boring marketing campaigns that don't get you results? Do you want to grow your business? So here you go. It's spitting it out again. And as you can see, look at the color. The color does change, as you can see. If you answered yes, then you need our digital marketing services. We're a team of creative experts who know how to craft engaging and effective campaigns that will boost your brand awareness, generate leads, and increase sales. Now, you can see how this is a little bit more technical, I would say more technical than this. This just seems general, and that seems a little bit more technical. Now, that could be because we told it to be a little bit more creative, we could say. Right? But that is really, really cool. That is really, really cool. Okay, so that's the difference. Now, what we're going to do, to make this even a little bit more fun is now we are going to ask the discover button right at the top part right here. The same question. The top part right here, the same question. But you know what? Before we do that, let's go to more precise. Okay, there it is. Actually green. And we are going to ask the same question again, or put in the same prompts and see what we get. And let's see here. Create a funny and exciting social media post with it being more precise. Here's a social media post for you. Ready to take your business to the next level. Our digital marketing service will help you grow with unique strategies. Okay, so as you can see, the more balanced response seemed to be a little bit in between the more creative response, right? And then the more precise response seemed to be a little less compared to, the conversation styles for more precise was quite short, and then the more balanced one seemed a little bit more in the middle, and the more creative one, I believe, was longer. So that's something to take absolute good note of right there. Okay. Now, let's go to the Edge button, the Discover button. Let's see what the Discover button is going to do. Now, it seems to be the same. Seems to be the same. We have the more creative, we have the more balanced, we have the more precise. And it says, welcome back. What would you like to chat about? All right, so we're going to put that here again. The email that just keeps showing up. All right, create a funny and exciting social media post with hashtags and emojis about how our digital marketing services grows your business with unique strategies. Okay, so let's see, just the same prompts, and we are going to hit the arrow, the play button right there, and I am looking forward to see what it gives us. Okay, so here's a funny and exciting social media post that you can use to promote your digital marketing services. Boom, 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 all rockets. Our unique digital marketing strategies are out of this world, which is quite similar. if we go to the history, if I can access it here in a minute, I should be able to see that, what our history was over here. Where are you? And the history was more under the precise one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, but that seemed to be pretty much like what the first one was. Will help you grow your business like never before. And so that's kind of cool, at least. So I would like to just see if I could go right here to the history. If we could see that again, let's get creative. Do your topic. Okay. If I can get back easily, and now you could see, wouldn't it be just nice if you could do that? Okay, let's go to our more balanced response. Can we see our history in our more balanced response? Nope. And that's exactly what we were looking for. Okay, well, I guess we couldn't do that. So under our more balanced one, I believe this was what it was quite similar and stuff. So as you can see, so you could use either. You could use the main chat function in this spot right here, or you can use the Edge Copilot is what they call it, the Discover button. They also call it the Bing Chat button. And that's the response that you likely would get. And then something similar to that also in Chat GPT, but you don't have the more precise, more creative, but you still get a really, really good output. I just still think it's amazing. So hope this was helpful. And if it is, like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see the great content that we give or create, to make your life easier. Take care.